Hey, what's up? It's your girl Neek, and you are tuned in to my second channel. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, be sure to subscribe right now. Now, there's been a lot of stuff going on, and even in the city that I live in, they have mandated and made it very mandatory to wear some type of face covering over your face. In my city, if you don't wear something over your face, then they will give you a fine and you can have possible jail time. So they're taking it very serious here. They want everybody to cover their face, and people are trying to find ways to find a mask, make a mask, or make some type of face covering that will suffice and help them through this time. Now, the best mask to get is obviously a medical grade mask, a N95, I believe, mask, something along those lines. This, however, is obviously not medical grade and it's not up to medical standards, but I am a person who, if I got a solution for something better than nothing, I'd rather do something rather than nothing. So try to prevent or help you some kind of way rather than just leave you out there with nothing. So here is how to make a makeshift face covering in less than a minute. It might look silly, but hey, I'd rather look silly than catch the Rona, okay? So I have a bandana, and I got this bandana from Walmart. And so basically just all you do is tie this bandana over your face like so. Then for extra layer of protection, what I do is then you get your shirt. So you get a shirt. This is one of my shirts when me and my family went on a cruise. So you just get any shirt, and what you want to do is put the shirt on as if you were going to wear it. So you put it on your head as if you were going to put it on. So you put the shirt on and you bring it up like this, and then you bring this part around. Like I said, it may look a little silly, but hey, something is better than nothing. So then what you do is take these sleeves right here and you tie them in the back of your head. And you just make a knot. So then you bring this part up on your face and you tuck it in. And that way you have more protection over you to cover you with this Rona. And this way it'll keep your bandana secure. It'll keep everything in place. This kind of goes just, over your shoulders. Then, I just throw my hoodie on and go. Now, I know how to make a proper mask, but this is like an easy, fast, quick, solution that you can do and just be on your merry way. Okay? So I just wanted to show you guys that really quick. I believe something is better than nothing. And this way, it keeps it very snug. It keeps it very tight on your face. And it keeps your bandana in place. And it helps you, like if you're out and you have to touch your face, you're not transferring the germs onto your face. And something is better than nothing. Like I said, it may look silly, but I'd rather be silly looking than out here with the Rona. So with that being said, that's all for this video. Thank you for tuning in. Peace.